Don't let a dead battery stop your online banking. Here's how to quickly swap out your NatWest card reader's power source. First, identify the type of battery your NatWest device uses. Most of their card readers, like this one, require two coin cell batteries, typically CR2032 type. To open the battery compartment, locate the small slot on the casing, usually on the back or side of the card reader. You'll need a small, flat object, like a coin or a thin plastic card, to gently insert into this slot and twist to release the cover. Be gentle when opening it to avoid damaging the casing. Once the compartment is open, you'll see the old batteries. Note the positive plus and negative sides of the existing batteries, as you'll need to insert the new ones correctly. Carefully remove the old batteries, paying attention to their orientation now. Take your new CR2032 batteries and insert them, ensuring the positive plus side faces upwards, matching the indicator inside the compartment. Make sure they are seated firmly. Once the new batteries are in, snap the battery compartment cover back into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Your card reader should now power on automatically, or when you press any button. If your card reader doesn't show any signs of life, double-check that the batteries are inserted correctly, with the positive and negative terminals aligned. Also, ensure you've removed any protective plastic tabs from the new batteries before insertion. If it still doesn't work, try a fresh pair of batteries. With fresh batteries, your NatWest card reader is ready to go, giving you uninterrupted access to your online banking services. Remember, always dispose of old batteries responsibly at designated collection points.